Oh my goodness. More obstacle course. We're nearly there, guys, I promise. I can hear the waterfalls right now. I think the waterfalls is just on top of us. All the easy part of walking is here now. All the hard work is back there. So I think it is. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I can hear it. Oh.
Be very careful, girls. You're really sharp.
Look at this dense forest. Oh my god. Oh, I have to watch where I'm going. It'll be a chain reaction. I think we are here. Oh, there it is. The waterfalls, guys. But now we just gotta go up a bit. And we should be there. There's the falls. What are we doing?
We're going down
Oh, yeah.
the
Oh. GoPro in one hand. Oh. Almost got there. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Almost done. We're not going to go up there. We're gonna try to find another way. Maybe this way here. Upstairs, downstairs. There's an easy way here and they go up there. Hey! Oh, there's waterfalls. Woo. Ah.
Where they are.
So we're having a problem on how to go down there. Because unless you want to go back down there.
I can't jump.
No, you're gonna break your freaking ankle. That's too hard.
You're gonna break the skin. Yeah. You can slip that way. Hey, guys.
You guys okay?
Don't move.
You guys okay? Iron stand.
That's ready now. That's ready.
Hey, hand.
Is that going?
Yeah, that's going.
Here comes fast Eddie.
Oh my god. It's not slippery, is it?
No, you're all right.
I was just gonna jump it.
Yes!
Can you go first? You have to touch me.
Move.
Ella.
Just do that. Step here. Or whatever. Come on. Get wet. You push. Oh. Well done. Woohoo. Coming here is very, very dangerous. And it's very difficult to be in this spot right now. But it's all worth it. Look at that. Yeah, see, look how amazing this waterfall is. This is actually my first time I've been here. I've been in Australia for more than 20 years now and I've never knew this place existed. I should go out more often. Yeah, Trevor's got a drone, so he's gonna fly it up there and droning it. Look at that. Far out, that's really far down there. Oh my god. There's Trevor trying to prepare his drone. He's got a DJI Spark. Gotta get me one of those. Trying to get it connected. Whoa! The sun is out! We couldn't fly the drone because the network is not working around here. So I don't know what's happening. Still working on it, but hopefully I can fly it so we can have some good image. So I'm gonna climb to this rock. On top of the world! Phew! Yeah, boy! Oh, this is so nice and refreshing! Ooh! Yeah! This is nice and refreshing! Wow! This is so awesome! Oh my god!
Smile.
Woo! Look at that guy, saw the fall. Up there. Woo. If it's not cold today and it's still sunny and hasn't been raining, I will go in there and swim right now for a small dip. Oh shit. Slippery. But look at that. Swim. Let's go swim there. You can go for a swim. Hi Han, what do you think? Oh, it's very good. Hello, hello, hello. It's really slippery on this rock. So it's okay during summer days, I guess. But today it's a bit rainy days here in Australia. It's a spring season, so it rains most of the time. Well, not most of the time, but if it does, and you come down here to Bilmore Falls, the rocks are really slippery.
Boy, we need a group photo.
One
like
of
all
our
of us. Trevor, Alice.
she already slipped and she got soaking wet, and lucky she didn't get hurt. And yeah, look, as you can see, the
Ella,
rock
you
is
stay.
really wet.
Trevor,
So we might come back here during summertime and actually go for a
we
swim.
need a photo.
So we will see what's happened. Whew. All right. After we're done all that hiking, about 40 minutes, you reckon? And we pack our bag with lots of, you know, see? Tim Tam, chocolate, something,
Yes!
chicken, you know? That's what we Filipino do. We like to eat. You like to eat. And get fat apparently, so. But the view of this place, as you can see, is just amazing, guys. Look at it. All the views, huh? Here's our food. All unhealthy stuff, and that's their food. It's all healthy stuff.
Healthy and healthy. They brought a healthy stuff. Healthy one.
Yeah. What do you have there?
I have salad,
Salad, chicken, and some other salad.
chicken, and bread. And blueberries.
What is snowing here?
Healthy stuff versus unhealthy stuff.
And blueberries.
Oh, very healthy.
Yeah. This is what we do. We like to hike. At the end of our hike, we eat. So, alright, that's our day here today. We had a rest for like 30 minutes or so, but now we're gonna try to go back to this rock, and I think it's a bit easier than going down. So let's go. Ready? I made it. Whew. Come on, I'll help you. So are you guys going that way? Han? Are you going that way? So as you can see, it's really very dangerous here if you have slippery shoes, and when it's raining you have to be very careful
And make sure you get waterproof shoes.
of where you step on, because it's very slippery. Now they're gonna go that way around that rock, because I don't know, it's more dangerous that way because it's near the cliff. Look, you can see them. They're gonna go that way behind that rock and try to climb there. Right now. So anyway, I'm gonna go and see them up there on the other side. Let's go. See them? They're going around that rock, and I reckon it's more slippery than climbing over. So anyway, we're going back home now because it's getting, oh, it's not getting late, but we've been here for like few minutes, like maybe 30 minutes, and time to head back because I think it's gonna rain maybe. Oh, and here they are. There they are. They're coming. They're coming. They have wet shoes. This is the thing that we do to go to a waterfall. Alright. Hi. There she is. She made it. So you should have climbed around. Your bag is open, Trevor.
What?
Your bag is open. So how was it? Very good? Icy cold? Now you gotta put your shoes on, hun. Just a quick pit stop here. Going back up after going to that falls. It's really challenging because all the obstacles, and you can see earlier on this vlog, there's so many tree branches falling down. Oh. See how far we are from the top, and we went all the way down to the bottom for a waterfall. It's tiring, but it's all worth it, I promise. Ooh. Ow. Oh. Oops. My goodness. How are you guys? You getting good? Huh? What the? I'm so stuffed. What? Oh. Let's go. I'm coming. I'm coming. You should run. Oh, this is so dangerous. This is so dangerous. Going on the edge. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yep. Look at the canyon. That can be water lookout, isn't it? Somewhere out there. Look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing? Now he's gonna flap his drone out. See if we can take pictures of it. Or a bit of video maybe. And you send it to me. I'm giving him hints. Hopefully he's got signals around here. It should be. Alright. There's Trevor, my man. Preparing his drone. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to go further than that. prepping his drone on the edge of the rock. Yeah! That's awesome. I need to get me one of those very, very soon. I think you're gonna bring it back in because it's been too windy up here. Oh! Shit, it almost crash landed. Is it broken now? You almost crashed that drone. I was like, my heart was like pounding. Oh my god. But it's alright. He made it. He made it. Trying to get a good spot for the drone. Yeah. Oh. We were down there earlier. Now we're in this top range. Oh my god. Yeah. See? Hi. That's where my house is. Just down there. I wish.
Flying, that's my house.
I wish. Come in. Put your foot there. Give me a hand.
There's no hand, I'm so skinny. I'll just throw straight there.
You'll be alright. Just scared. Oh, we are on top of the world. Yes. This will be a good area here to fly a drone. Excuse me, hon. Ooh. Oh, that hurt.
Trevor, smile. Where are you? That way.
Selfie.
Eddie. One more. Ready? One more. Eddie.
Always
smile.
one more, Irene.
So anyway, we're back on the car park,
Can you put that thing on the
and
back?
what do you need?
The blanket.
Thing in the back. Okay, so we've done our hike. You got the key in your car. I mean your bag. We've done our hiking for nearly 2 hours, I think, and we're finally here in the car park. We finished that, and we're about to go home. So, till next time. Peace.